So we've talked a little, I want to set the stage a little bit. We've talked a little bit about how the workforce and the way we work is changing rapidly. Therefore, we've got to be in front of what are the skills that people have and what do we need for the business. I want to point out that the technology vendors recognize that as well. So they're evolving rapidly to help begin to bridge that gap. So I think what you have today and what you're going to have at your fingertips in 6 months or a year is going to continuously improve and make this conversation easier to solve, or this problem easier to solve. So what we're seeing with some of the vendors that we're familiar with is they recognize that and just like we talked about, skills are changing rapidly. So if I go through the exercise to identify what skills are needed for each of the positions that I have, the likelihood before I finish that exercise, it's going to adjust, it's going to change. And so they're bringing and they're incorporating AI into their skills engines to help drive and kind of take some of that heavy lifting. Also kind of gives you that big data answer to what are the skills.